Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In this beginner's guide, we will help you get started by covering the basics of setting up your account, navigating the dashboard, and managing your sales pipeline effectively so you can have the best experience in Pipedrive. So guys, let's get you up and running with Pipedrive. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing guys that you have to do is to go ahead and open pipedrive.com. Click on the link, make sure to try it for free, and you will be able to create an account. For me, I'm just gonna skip it and log into mine. Now Pipedrive is basically sales focused customer relationship management, which basically a CRM tool designed to help sales teams manage and track their sales process and interactions with potential customers. It provides several features such as pipeline management, which visualize and manage your sales pipeline with drag and drop functionality to move deals throughout different stages. And also it has activity and goal tracking. You can schedule and your activities and sales goals and track progress to ensure that sales targets are met. Also, there is email integration, so you can find your email and synchronize it with your Pipedrive account. You can find here your campaigns and launch a mass email into your customers. It has automation, so you can automate repetitive tasks and workflows to save time and improve efficiency. And basically there is a mobile app, so you can access Pipedrive in the go with its mobile app for iOS and Android. And finally there is integration, so you can connect it with other tools and platforms such as email marketing software, accounting software, and more to streamline operations. Now let's interact with the dashboard or the platform itself. So once you launch it, there will be first a 14 days free trial. Make sure that you upgrade your plan once you have done with these 14 days. Now for the trial, the premium plan, the estimate invoice after the trial is for one seat $75. So make sure to choose the correct plan for yourself. Now there is several menus. Let's go through them. First of all, there is leads. Here are the page where you can create leads, create like new leads by like manual, or import them from your existing leads from any spreadsheet, or you can find new leads. So you can try their lead poster to capture high quality inbound and outbound leads. There is second of all deals. Here you can track every single deal that you have with the numbers, with the goal, qualified, contact made. You can make literally a plan on how the deal should go, so you can make a whole process of a deal right here. And basically once the deal has gone from qualified, go to contact made, demo scheduled, proposal made, and negotiation started. And then for example, once the deal is done, you can create a new page which says it is done. And basically just like that, you can keep tracking of your team deals, how they are dealing with the new deals, what are they doing exactly, what process is it for this deal, etc, etc. There's also here projects, so you can manage multiple projects in one interface. Here there will be campaigns where you can launch multiple or mass emails into your customers or into your contacts. Here you will find your sales inbox, which is the email that you have synchronized with your Pipedrive. Normally it should be an like a work email. They don't accept like Gmails, etc. Here we have activities, so you can find like calls, activities such as contact, organization, phone number, added the person, removed the person, etc. Here we'll have all your contacts, so you can directly manage your contacts, the people who you are in contact with from other company in here, so you can understand what role they are having in their company, in case they were like now official clients or not. And basically you can manage all things through here, so you can save their contact informations and have all their like contacts and labels in here. You have here insights, so you can have literal graphs and analytics tool which can make you to have best reporting and best analysis for your deals and for your goals, and make sure that you are achieving your goals the fastest and the most consistent way possible. Here you will find your products, the product that you are selling. You can add them right here. Click on plus and add a new product, and you will be able also to view all your products in here. There's also a way to you can import data, which is very useful in case you have already a spreadsheet which includes all your products. You can automatically import them inside of Pipedrive automatically. Here I have the marketplace, where you will find a couple of third-party apps that you can connect with your Pipedrive account, such as Zapier, Google Meets, Panda Documents, Surf, and Dedupli. And finally here we have more, which will include several options, and there is more than that. Of course, there will be automations, automatic assignments, documents, and import data. Once you click on one of them, this page should be opened, and you will have here several other apps or tools that can help you throughout your business or throughout your Pipedrive utility. So you can have here tools such as automations, automatic assignments, Pipedrive AI, phone calls, products, smart contact data, webhooks, documents, import data, export data, merge duplicates. And here we'll find several apps such as Slack, Zana, MailChimp, Microsoft Teams, DocuSign, invoicing, messaging, and marketplace apps. All of these tools are pretty insane and pretty good to be used, so make sure that you are having full utility of these. Here, as I said, you can literally have multiple tools that can help you, and the best one of these two options are are these two: import and export. So you can make your work easily when it comes to adding data to your Pipedrive, and make it more useful when it comes to exporting the data itself from here and reading it in a spreadsheet, which can make your work much more easier, so you can read it and share it with other people. So this is a very useful tool that you can own. Otherwise, if you need any more help about these tools, you can basically go through the help center page, or you can leave a comment down below, guys, and we will make sure that we cover all of these tools so you can have the best experience while using Pipedrive. But let's go through them very quick. So here, automation. So you can have basically automation which comes with a trigger and basically an action. Automatic assignments, you can assign directly people to some deals. Here you can use AI to do some things. Here, phone calls, you can call people. Here you can view products, and these basically can explain themselves. And that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.